It's really hot today. I'm already taking a break. Let a cake break forever. So let's get to work.
Everyone is so loud. I just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Keep it quiet. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. 'Cause I need to keep on going. I need to keep on going. I need to be afloat.
Ugh. I really thought taking this inch apart was going to be easy, but nope. this has to come out in order to cut this pole down and get it replaced. So I'm glad it stops right here. Forgot my safety glasses, I gotta stop. Seriously didn't realize my camera was still smudged. Sorry. Look, Adrian. Shoes. They can't yell at me now. Lost the nut. Yeah. Alright, so now my anchor light works again. These things weren't even finger tight. I don't know what those guys are thinking.